Let's look at this WAEC 2010 indices question. Given that 5 raised to power n plus 3 divided by 25 raised to power 2n minus 3 is equals to 5 raised to power 0. If you look at this question now, this base 5 is the simplest form in this question, and we can make this to be equal to this. That means this will now be 5 squared. So we now have 5n plus 3 over 5 raised to power 2 to power 2n minus 3 is equals to 5 raised to power 0. This is now a product power law. So we now open the bracket, which will now be 5 raised to power n plus 3 over 5. 2 times 2n will now be 4n minus 2 times 3 will now be 6, which is equals to 5 raised to power 0. So from here now, from division law, say that their power as subtracted will now be 5 raised to power n plus 3 minus 4n minus 6, which is equals to 5 raised to power 0. From here now, the base are the same, so they will cancel out, which will now be n plus 3. This times this will now be minus 4n minus times minus 6 will now be plus 6, which is equals to the power here 0. So our question will now be n minus 4n plus 3 plus 6 now be 9 equals to 0. This minus this, we have minus 3n plus 9 equals to 0. Move this 9 to the other side, now be minus 3n equals to minus 9. So minus 3 divide both sides. Minus 3 here now be n equals to minus 3 here now be 3. Our answer to this question is now n equals to 3.